everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an Apache Web Server on a Windows Server machine and run it using HTTP. I will guide you through the entire process step by step, from downloading and installing Apache to configure and starting the Apache server. We will also take a look closer at the Apache 24 folder. I will explain you what each of the important files and subfolder inside it does, so you can understand how Apache works behind the scenes. Whether you are just starting out or looking to expand your server-side skills on Windows, this tutorial is perfect for you. So let's get started. First, open your Google. In the URL bar, just type Apache server download. Just click on the official link of Apache server website. Then click on third-party vendor. Then click Apache launch. Then click on this link to download the latest version of Apache binary for Windows. Once the download starts, wait for it to complete. After downloading, just go to the download location, open the zip file, and then go back to your Windows server and paste it here. Then right click on the zip file, extract all, and then extract the zip file to the specific location. I'm just extracting the file in the local C disk. Then select folder, then extract. It takes a few minutes to extract the file. Once done, you will see a folder name Apache 24. Now you can see the main folder Apache 24. Open the Apache 24, go to the bin directory, minimize this file, then go to the command prompt, then right click and then run as administrator. Now change the directory to the Apache bin folder using the cd command, cd c Apache bin, then hit enter. Now run the following command to install the Apache service, like httpd.exe-k installed. Now you can see that Apache service is successfully installed. Then minimize it. Now go to the search bar, then type here services to open the services app. Find the Apache 2.4 service, then click on start button to start the service. Now you can see that Apache service is running. Then minimize it. Then finally open your browser, and in the URL bar just type localhost:80, then hit enter. And port 80 is used for HTTP, and you should see the default Apache server page, confirming that the Apache is working correctly. So let's take a closer look at the Apache 24 folder. Open the Apache 24 directory, then go back to the bin folder. There are few files which are very important, like httpd.exe is used to install, start, stop and restart the Apache service. The another one is Apache monitor.exe is used to monitor the GUI tool. The another one is openssl.exe is used to generate the CSR, manage the SSL certificates. Then go back to the one folder and open the conf folder. So basically this conf folder is the main configuration file for the Apache. The another file is httpd.conf is the primary configuration file of the Apache server. Then click on extra, and this contains additional configuration file for advanced settings. And the another file is httpd-ssl.conf is used to configure HTTPS SSL certificates. Then go back one folder, then one more, then click on htdocs. This is the default document of Apache. It contains the actual web context such as HTML file. Just open it in the Notepad and you will see the text like it works. As I said, in the HTML it works. Just replace this text with your own message. I'm just first remove this text. It works. Then I'm just simply typing welcome to my channel, and after then just save this file. then close it, then go back to your services, then click on restart. Why we are taking a restart of Apache server? Whenever you make changes to Apache configuration or web files, always take a restart of Apache service to apply the changes. Now go back to the browser and in the URL just type localhost colon 80 and then hit enter. You can and take a refresh. Now you can see the updated message, welcome to my channel, instead of the default it works message. Now go back to the one folder, open the logs folder. Inside the logs directory click on error logs. This file contains warning, error messages and debugging information. It is mainly used for troubleshooting issues with your Apache server such as configuration error, port conflict or permission problems. And that's it. You have successfully set up an Apache web server on your Windows Server machine and got it running over the HTTP. Now you understand how Apache works, how to serve web pages locally, and how to manage key configuration files and folders like htdocs, conf and logs. But we are not stopping here. In the next video, I will show you how to secure this web server using an SSL certificate and enable HTTPS step by step. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the second part. Thanks for the watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.